Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the location and how to remove the horn assembly on a 2011 Ford F-150. I've already granted a pop in the cable, so I just need to move the latch. I can open the hood, and the horn location is right almost mid-center of the grill area. We have basically one mounting bolt and an electrical connector, so we're going to push down on this tab and pull. And it's a two-prong system. And then there's one mounting bolt, 10mm socket. Break that free. So there's a key way to hold that into the bracket, right up in there. It slides in. On the back of the horn assembly, you have two mounting nuts and the electrical connector that connects the A horn to the B horn. There's two different sounds on horns. There's a high pitch and a low pitch. That's why you have a dual horn system. The ground will go through here, power and ground. The old days, this used to be the ground. So to reassemble it, you would just reverse procedure. I'm going to line up that slot, line it in, and remount the bolt. So if you get horns from 1A Auto, we sell universal horns, so we don't sell the bracket, but we sell each horn A and B pillar, and you would mount them right on there, just like they are, and use the harness that is supplied with it. Now I can reconnect my connector, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.